finally gonna get the G started today. I'm gonna have to make a U-turn because I forgot my coolant bleeder kit. Fuck. We got the bleeder kit. Now we're on our way back on the road. Like I was saying before, hopefully everything goes as planned and you get the G started up. So your boy had to put on noise reduction on. That shit was wild. Oh shit. Got a CTS. A big wing on it. Look ugly as fuck. Let's see. Let's have a look. Why the fuck would you do that to your whip? No, I'm playing. I don't like these ones too much, but they're pretty fast.
The pumps in the back are basically not working then. Let me fill up the surge tank a little bit. Okay, check the rail now. I'm gonna crank it.
Let me hold on.
So I'm gonna keep priming it. Okay?
Yeah. No.
Okay. I'll be back here.
Oh.
Is there fuel pressure at the rail? You have a light?
Yeah. No. Fuel pump's not turned on.
It's not, right?
No.
I can hear it priming here though. Nothing. What?
The fuck was that?
What?
You hear that? That backfire?
Well, yeah, compression, right?
Hold on. Yeah, you got fuel pressure now.
Got it now?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, maybe it'll start.
Because now I can hear the pump better.
Well, I think the fuel pump wasn't plugged in. It's training.
Cut it. Leaking.
Serious? Where?
Hell is that?
What? Oil. Oh my god.
Oh, that smells like
Oil. Coming out of the back of the truck.